Hey guys, Dotson Guys here with MarineMax in Charleston. Today I want to show you a brand new inventory piece that just arrived. This is a Scout 240 XSF and she's a 2024 model year. So we'll walk through the cockpit. Colin, if you want to step down. Alrighty, now we're in the cockpit of the boat. We love the walk-through transom and as well as the accessibility from port to starboard. So regardless of what side of the dock you decide to pull up on, it's easy access. The swim platform's almost flush with the bottom of the swim platform is almost flush with the water, so it's a great swim up point for the kids and the dogs. This boat has the Mercury upgrade to the 300 horsepower. This is the Verado series. You can get it equipped with Yamaha or Mercury. This particular boat, we chose the Mercury to complement the black accents in the Midnight Edition, which we'll show you inside. So that's a flip-through door that closes. We have a flip-down seat in the aft. Comes for 2, if not 3 with a child. Convenient grab handles and cup holders at the back of our leaning post there. That easily converts. And underneath here we have what one of Scout's known for is their easy accessibility. So clean fiberglass bilge, so easy to wipe out and wash. But easy access to our pumps and filters down there. Standard live well in the aft port corner. You'll see our wash down hoses there. So we got fresh water on board this boat as well as a raw water wash down. End gunwale rod storages, both port and starboard. Igloo cooler under the standard leaning post. So this boat we have in the Cayenne interior, so you'll see that saddle color really pops with the black Midnight Edition. So flip bolsters from either side. C-deck at the helm for helm pad comfort. We did the optional black Edson steering wheel on the standard tiltable helm. The standard 9-inch Garmin. We upgraded to the Mercury Vessel View display. We have the new digital throttle for Mercury Marine. Fusion stereo system is standard, and we have the gel audio upgrade for the speakers. Glove box on the starboard side, USB charging ports inside, USB charging ports at the top, as well as a great place just to throw all those knickknacks. Enclosed windshield, Scout's known for on their 215 and up. We also equipped this boat with the T-bag, so great place for your life preservers. We have spreader lights in the aft as well as in the bow. And we'll move forward and I'll show you inside the console here. At the helm, we have equipped this one with the porcelain head upgrade and also easy access to our systems display. Great forward lounge, 4 forward facing seats or lounges. I'm 6 foot for reference, so great depth, grid easy grab rail. Easily spaced that converts to where you have storage under port and starboard. We have access to our anchor rod and chain there. Underneath our lounge seat, we have an insulated cooler box or great dry storage. We do have designated anchor storage. You'll notice that hatch is on a tension hinge, so it doesn't come slamming down on your hand. We did upgrade this boat with the rod holder cup holders, so if you want to add that forward bow shade or an aftermarket install, you're more than welcome to. I'll sit in the helm here, or the chase lounge. You'll see again, nice and comfortable for 2. Cup holders throughout the back as well as glove boxes. If you guys have any questions or would like to learn more about this boat, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. Again, my name is Dotson Guys with here at MarineMax in Charleston. Thanks for watching.